Welcome. All right, welcome everyone to Public Speaking Carnival Day 3. This is your host, GJ Gaurav Jain, and I full-heartedly welcome all you wonderful speakers from various parts of India, abroad, and today we are going to have lots and lots of fun, lots and lots of masti. We are going to have 25, 26 various public speakers who are going to speak on a particular topic. Of course, everyone know. I will be sharing about that. But let's start with the thank you note to Sherry Bhai, author Sherry. Can we have a round of applause for author Sherry and whole MS Talks team for this amazing big opportunity that we all are getting a chance to open our heart out, and this is not easy. I mean, Sherry, sir, author Sherry, he is not only the founder of MS Talks, he has been, there on MS Talks के अलावा Josh Talks, TEDx Talk और पता नहीं कितनी सारी टॉक्स. मतलब हम लोग तो सोचते हैं कि यार हमें कब मौका मिलेगा, बट ही इज द जेंटलमैन जिन्होंने कई बार उसी स्टेज पे गए हैं जहां पर हमारा शायद दिल धक धक करता है. So we are really honored and fortunate that we are going to get a mentorship from him, and we have already seen a glimpse of it in our 30 program. Daily one video. And Sherry bhai, author Sherry sir, मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं, I'm getting out of words, कि he has evaluated, the same gentleman has evaluated over 2500 videos. I mean, imagine, हम एक वीडियो देखते हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ सोचते हैं, फिर ठीक है नोट्स लिख लिए, 10 देख लिए, 50 देख लिए, 2500 plus. So amazing. This is like beyond my thinking. And so friends, thank you again for joining everyone for Public Speaking Carnival Day 3, and let's get started with some Gana Masti, kuch musical performance ho jaye, right? So I would like to invite a gentleman. He is also a participant in Indian Idol and Saregama-pa, right? And today he is going to entertain us with his amazing song. So let's invite, with a huge round of applause, Mr. Diwakar Chaube.
Welcome, Diwakar. Good to have you here with us. Good to see you, man.
Welcome to Public Speaking University, Kariwal, Diwakar ji. Over to you.
Thank you, GJ sir. And first of all, I would like to thank author Sherry sir कि मुझे यहाँ पर इतने बड़े मंच पे उन्होंने इनवाइट किया, एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा MS टॉक टीम को, पूरी टीम को, कि वो इतना ज़्यादा बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं. और आई जस्ट लव द वर्क. ऑथर शेरी सर, मैं तो आपका फ़ैन हूँ शुरुआत से ही, और मेरी बेस्ट विशेस आप लोगों के साथ हमेशा है. और मैं आज एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सॉन्ग आप लोगों के बीच सुनाने जा रहा हूँ, और आशा करता हूँ आप लोगों को पसंद आएगी. ये गाना मैं जो गाने वाला हूँ, ये मेल और फीमेल दोनों की वॉइसेस में मैं गाने वाला हूँ.
So, wow. All the best.
Thank you so much.
ओ सवरिया, ओए आके सीधी लगी दिल पे जैसे कटरिया. ओ सवरिया, ओए ओए ओए, वो तेरी तिरछी नजरिया
ले गई मेरा दिल तेरी जुल्मी नजरिया. ओ गुजरिया, ओए ले गई मेरा दिल तेरी जुल्मी नजरिया. ओ गुजरिया, ओए ओए ओए, ओ जाने सारी नजरिया.
आके सीधी लगी दिल पे जैसे कटरिया. ओ सवरिया, मेरी गली आती हूँ बार बार छेड़ छेड़ जाते हो क्यों दिल के तार हुसैया 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 पढ़ो तेरे पैया मेरी गली आते हो क्या बार बार छेड़ छेड़ जाते हो क्यों दिल के तार क्या मैं गोरी मुझे तुझसे है प्यार जो ना तुझे देखूं ना आए करा हो गोरी पढ़ के बुदन चिरगता कर क्या मैं करूं गोरी मुझे तुझसे है प्यार जो ना तुझे देखूं ना आए करा हटो जाओ ना बनाओ हटो जाओ हाय ना बनाओ हाय नटखट रंगीली सावरिया आंखें सीधी लगी दिल पे जैसे पटरिया ओ सवरिया हाय ओ तेरी तिरछी नजरिया ले गई मेरा तो तेरी ज़मीन नजरिया पीछे पीछे आते हो क्या दिल के चोर मान जाओ वरना मचाऊंगी शोर बचाओ मुर्गे कौवे पीछे पीछे आते हो क्या दिल के चोर मान जाओ वरना मचाऊंगी शोर पहले तो बांधी निगाहों की डोर अब हमसे कहती हो चल पीछा खटखट ओ खटपट ओ पंखट ओ झटपट पहले तो बांधी निगाहों की डोर अब हमसे कहती हो चल पीछा छोड़ तोरे लाला ओ मिठा बना ओ तोरे लाला हाय मिठा बना मुझको बना दे बावरिया आंखें सीधी लगे दिल पे जैसे कटरिया ओ सवरिया ओए ओ तेरी तिरछी नजरिया ले गई मेरा दिल तेरी सीधी नजरिया ओ गुजरिया ओए ओ जाने सारी नगरिया आंखें सीधी लगी दिल पे जैसे कटरिया ओ गुजरिया ओ सवरिया ओ गुजरिया आए थैंक यू सो मच
Wow, what an amazing performance.
क्या बात है
Thanks a lot, sir.
दिवाकर भाई आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं
सर मैं गुड़गांव हरियाणा से बिलोंग करता हूँ
क्या बात है आपने कितनी प्रैक्टिस करी है गाना से पहले
एक्चुअली मुझे प्रोफेशनली 10 साल हो गए हैं इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक सीखते हुए एंड मेरे गुरुजी हैं श्री जयेश चंद्र मिश्रा जी जिनके सानिध्यता में मैं म्यूज़िक सीखता हूँ और उन्हीं की देन है जो भी मैं आज आप लोगों के बीच गा पा रहा हूँ
Very nice. All the best. God bless you. And we all really loved your performance.
Thank you so much.
Okay, take care. All right, दोस्तों. So that was Mr. Divakar Chaube. Amazing talent. मतलब कितना टैलेंट है हमारे सब लोगों में और ये तो एक ऐसा यूनिक टैलेंट है इट्स नॉट इजी लगता है कि हाँ यार जेंट्स वॉइस में भी और गर्ल्स वॉइस में भी द वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन कब हाई नोट स्मॉल नोट जैसे शरी सर बताते हैं तो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का ही मेरे ख्याल से एक ये आर्ट है कब हमें एकदम से तेज बोलना है कम बोलना है शरी भाई वांट टू ऐड ऑन समथिंग मतलब यू नो रिगार्डिंग दिस परफॉर्मेंस और अदरवाइज भी इट्स नॉट इजी कि जब हम पब्लिक में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं चाहे हम गा रहे हैं बोल रहे हैं एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग
Absolutely. In fact, the moment you took the virtual stage from me, everybody noticed the change and the shift in energy. Do you all agree with me? Yes, there was a complete shift in the energy. So it's the way you spoke, you create enthusiasm, you uplift everyone. That matters a lot. And that's what changes the aura for all the people who are on that platform, in that hall, in that auditorium.
Yeah.
And that creates the momentum. And right now I can see on everyone's face, the momentum has been created. All the best to each one of you. God bless you. Rocking performance expected.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing this. And I can see our special guest, international guest, Rich Fontaine as well smiling. So now is high time, you know, and it's really my honor. And I'm getting a chance to see him and, you know, listen to him again. So ladies and gentlemen, let's invite the huge and lovely great round of applause our international guest for today, Mr. Rich Fontaine.
Welcome,
Let's have a round of
Rich.
applause.
It's a pleasure to have you with
Let
us.
me, you know, share some
Let's
words
please
about him.
unmute. Yeah.
Let me share some words about him. Rich Fontaine, he is a certified international speaker. He is from the Les Brown Maximum Achievement team. He is also the best-selling author AAMCB entrepreneur. And he's also, wow, he's also guest speaker. So, there are a lot many things, but let's getting, things unfolded from the man himself. So, I give it to you, the man himself, Rich Fontaine. Yay!
Awesome. Welcome, Rich. It's a pleasure to have you
So
with us.
good to have you.
It's a
What do you?
pleasure to it is a pleasure to be here, and thank you for inviting me and getting me involved in such a tremendous, outstanding, phenomenal carnival for speakers. So thank you. And today I know the subject is a word, a special word for the audience. And my word to you is you are a seed. I was reading the book from Paulo Coelho called The Alchemist. When the young boy asked the king, "What is the world's greatest lie?" And the king responded, "At a certain point in our lives, we lose control of what's happening to us, and our life gets controlled by fate. That is the world's greatest lie." Meaning, your life is not these circumstances. Your life is the decisions that you choose to make. The world's greatest lie is to make you feel small. The world's greatest lie is to make you feel insignificant. The world's greatest lie is to make you feel unworthy when you are more than worthy. You are it. And if you ever have that feeling that you're not on your way, but you're in your way, or you have that feeling that you're not on top of your game, but you are barely on top of your bills, that feeling is the world's greatest lie, meaning that you can't handle it, but you can handle more than you ever can begin to imagine. Again, you're not a loser. Again, you're not wrong. Again, you're not failing. You're just a seed. I remember when I thought I was failing. I grew up to two parents that were raised in the small island of Haiti that moved to Brooklyn, New York, where we didn't have much in resources, where my mother used to have to heat up hot water in the stove so we could take warm baths. And I remember hating taking cold baths and showers, so I would go to school barely scrubbing myself. And that's when the kids used to make fun of me. They said, she called me Rich the Dirty Kid. And I remember one day I went to a teacher. I said, teacher, they're making fun of me. They're saying I stink and I'm dirty. And she said, Richard, why don't you go take a bath? And that started me on my low self-esteem, where I started becoming a thief. I stole clothing just so I could have the name brands the other kids have. I remember feeling so bad about myself that I would get into fist fights with other kids. And I became a misogynist because girls didn't like me because I was the dirty kid. But I fast forward to you now, married to a beautiful woman, where she's gonna have my very first child, driving a Lexus IS 250, graduating with a bachelor's in civil engineering to work for major corporations like Universal and Disney, living in beautiful Orlando in Baldwin Park in one of my dream condos that I wanted since I was a child. How did this happen? I went from the seed to the tree. Now, Rich, how do you go from the seed to the tree? First, you have to bury yourself in the dirt. Sometimes you have to see the darkness. Sometimes you have to see the lack before you see the abundance. But when you are in that darkness, you have to take time to look inside yourself. Look yourself in the mirror, in the eye, and say, maybe I'm not doing all the right things. Maybe I'm not always acting ethical. Maybe I'm not getting enough education. Maybe I'm not taking enough chances and more risk. So you have to figure out who you are, and that's in the dirt, that's in the seclusion, that's in your cocoon. To figure out who you are, you must surround yourself in an area of seclusion. But number two, once you're in that darkness, in that dirt, you have to cultivate your seed. That means you have to add nutrients. That's why you have to listen to positive speeches, positive books, to Author Sherry, to more great speakers, to motivational tapes and positive articles and positive books to show you that you're not just the seed, but you have to cultivate that seed. Number three, that little sprout has to break through, meaning you have to take massive action. You have to push through all that noise and that density of that dark soil. So every day, do something special, do something more, do something new. You have to push yourself out of that darkness and into the light, which leads me to number four. You have to understand that life is always shining on you, like the sun does to the sprout. And you have to embrace life, embrace that power. You have to embrace the world with love. And once you can embrace life, life starts to embrace you. And number five, that seed, that sprout needs time to grow. So we have to be patient. The bamboo tree takes almost 5 years for it to grow, but it grows massively strong when it does. So in this moment, if you're not feeling that you're at the place you need to be, keep cultivating, keep breaking through, keep embracing life, keep embracing the sun, and then be patient. And then one day you're among all the pine trees and you're one of them. And you could probably be one of the largest ones in your forest. So whenever you are down on yourself, whenever you're not feeling great, remember, you are not a loser. You're not failing. You're not unworthy. You are just a seed. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Wow, wonderful.
Wow.
Speech. That was
Amazing.
powerful.
Rich. Excellent.
Appreciate it.
Right
Thank you.
side, sir. Right side.
Friends, did you notice how did Rich Fontaine started his speech? Anybody? Let's interact and learn from Rich. Rich has been an expert. So, yeah, how did he start it? Anybody who would like to comment? Oh, come on.
I think he started with a book.
I'll take any comments, any questions, everybody.
Yeah, you can ask any questions. But Rich, what I'm trying to tell them is that how to start and end the speech. So, you're on mute, I guess. So, Rich, Rich, why don't you help us? How did you start and end the speech yourself? Will be great to hear. Come on.
Sure. And I hope you don't mind. I'm actually doing one of my lives at this very moment. So we have audience watching me as well. So please check out Cherie, author Cherie Speaks at Carnival, live from India. It's amazing. It's incredible. And I thank them for having me. And I'm just going to show them a few things on speaking. One of the things I did is I started my speech and ended it the same way. I don't know if anyone noticed that.
Yeah.
I started with calling you the seed and I ended it with calling you the seed. That is a technique that I've learned from various speakers and Toastmasters, also from the Les Brown Institute where I trained it. One thing that if you ever watch a great comedian and they do a great performance, Kevin Hart does this. He starts his show and he ends the show the exact same way. It kind of creates a 360. So the point of your speech has always in the forefront because you always want to give the audience something for them to take away. And the one thing you could take away from my speech is that you are a seed. So I start my speech and I end it the exact same way. So it reiterates the major point of the speech. Because the worst thing you want is to somebody to leave your presentation and not fully taking in what you were trying to relate to them.
Awesome. Fontaine, I have a question for you.
Yes.
I met Les Brown in 2014. And I remember his favorite dialogue is, "You have the greatness within you." So there is any favorite dialogue which you always repeat to yourself, or, one-liner? There is something, some song, that we always repeat. So what is your favorite one-liner, maybe affirmation or something?
My favorite one, actually, I've started this years ago. Hey, Sonia, sorry I didn't respond back to you. I started my own mantra. It is, I am good enough now, and I'm getting better. I am good
Fantastic.
enough now and I'm getting better. The reason I started it is because, from coming from a person with very low self-esteem, you have to try to create and understand that wherever you are, you're fine. We search so much in the future that we say, okay, I'm not where I'm supposed to be, so there's something wrong with me. But in reality, you're perfectly fine. You're just in the process of getting better. So when I say I'm good enough now, I put self-esteem in myself right now and know that there's always areas to improve, meaning I am getting better. So that's my mantra. I'm good enough now and I'm getting better.
Lovely. So sweet.
Awesome,
So,
guys. Let's show some love to Rich Fontaine. There's a reaction button, and let's
yeah.
click on there and put a heart. Click on a heart. Let's have some hearts for Rich Fontaine. The hearts.
Thank you.
Come on,
We
everyone.
love you, Rich Fontaine. Really, I mean, when you
Awesome
came
job.
last time, we were really looking forward and so excited to have you. And thank you so much for your, special time, because every word makes a lot of difference. I can see so many books, in your backyard, in your background. And today's topic is also about the words, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I think whenever you are sharing something, there are not many words coming out from you, which is actually a synopsis of all those books which you have read.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
so and I also request you that please stay here for at least few more time, because I really want that you see few of the speakers from India, that they're gonna talk on a particular topic, and we really they need your presence for at least some time. So please
Absolutely.
stay
I'll
here.
stick around. I can only stick around till about 10 o'clock because I do
Okay.
have a
What time is
meet.
it right now?
It's about 9:45, but
I
And
can tell you a trick. You can just use that watch and just keep it 5 minutes less and 5 10 minutes less.
turning into a time
It's a
machine.
special
Yes.
trick. Don't discuss it with anyone. I have a
he's nasty.
copyright.
He's nasty.
But all in all, thank you everyone for. I hope that speech
Rich,
touched you. I hope that you
Yes.
understand
Rich,
that
thanks for
you
the
are good
value.
enough now and you are getting better.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes, yes. Thank you. Hearty gratitude.
Rich,
And Shari
thanks
sir,
for
over
the
to you.
thanks for the value you have added. It was great learning, great session, great speech. Wonderful to have you as always. Thanks for all the insights you have shared. Follow Rich Fontaine on Facebook. He's on a mission to create 365 Facebook lives this year, and he's
Wow.
already on 239. So
Yes.
consistency is the name of the game, and he's just following that. So kudos and thanks for living your mission. Thanks for being who you are, Rich. We always love you for that.
You too, Sherry.
Great.
Thank you for what you do for all those people that are watching you. Thank you.
Yes. So guys, now I'll share a video quickly
It's a
for all
movie
of you.
time. Movie time.
It's movie time.
Yay. That's the title of the movie. It's upcoming.
It was the vision of author Sherry, who is a public speaking coach and TEDx speaker. Founder, President MS Talks India. To start this revolution to help people test their abilities by a 30-day challenge on his platform Public Speaking University by posting one video every day. More than 2,500 videos have been reviewed and provided with personalized feedback, so that the participants can work on their individual strengths and improvement areas. Today we have participants from more than 10 countries, like Canada, USA, Tanzania, Nigeria, Middle East, and more than 100 aspiring speakers from all walks of life. While we are about to complete this challenge, there is a brighter tomorrow waiting for all the participants for another beginning, and also, it's time to look back at the amazing stories we have created during our journey at the Public Speaking University. This is to mention each and every one of you had played a key role in the life of co-participants for learning, motivating and guiding through this journey, and where we have learned as a community from each other. Every participant is important, and with equal respect to their abilities and their commitment to create a newer version of themselves. Keep marching, team. You will feel the transformation within 30 days, and you would realize a new horizon, new potential, new possibilities opening in your life. Good luck and thanks for your belief in the mission.
Thanks, Gaurav. Over to you. Thanks, everyone.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing the fantastic video. And it is a great glimpse of all those wonderful, lovely 30 days which we all have did it together. So kudos to everyone who participated. It's really means a lot. It's not easy, and consistency and persistency, like Sherry sir said. All right. So I hope everyone heard that song by Boyzone. It's only words, and the words are all I have. Take your heart away, right? So दोस्तों आज का जो टॉपिक है वो भी है choosing your words, right? So मैं थोड़े से रूल बता देता हूँ. टॉपिक तो भाई सबका सेम ही है कि choosing your words. Duration of the talk is, friends, 3 minutes, and 3 minutes is the maximum time. आप उससे कम भी ले सकते हैं, 1 मिनट 2 मिनट, लेकिन कोशिश करना है 3 मिनट से पहले ही हमें फिनिश कर देना, रैप अप कर देना है. सेकेंड थिंग इज कि आपको जैसे ही 2 मिनट पूरे हो जाएंगे एक आवाज आएगी, 1 minute लेफ्ट, राइट? सो मेक श्योर कि उस टाइम पे आपको एकदम से रैप अप करने की कोशिश करना है. एक गुजारिश है मेरी, मुझे मालूम है मुश्किल है, कोशिश करना हमारे पास ना विजिलेंस टीम है, ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है, देख के मत बोलना. कई बार क्या होता है ना कि हम देख के बोल रहे होते हैं, कहते हैं जो मन में आ रहा है ना, हमें भी नहीं पता होता कई बार कि हमारे अंदर से क्या निकल रहा है, सब भूल जाओ, राइट? प्रिपेयर किया हम श्योर, लेकिन देख के नहीं, इम्प्रॉम्प्टू बोलने की कोशिश करना. इट्स ऑल अबाउट वर्ड्स, राइट? तो ऑल सेट, officially welcoming again everyone. Public Speaking Carnival Day 3. This is your host and host GJ Gaurav Jain, and now the time has come to invite our very first speaker, and the name is Mr. Vishal Jagtap. विशाल जी, जोरदार तालियां विशाल जी के लिए. Help me welcome Vishal ji. Vishal ji, you there? Please unmute yourself. Yes, he is here.
Hello. Hi.
Time starts now.
Hi, everyone. Actually, today's our topic is very important for me because I am going to live first time in international carnival event. So, if you are actually the word is power of the word. So means if the word can using the your day to day life, if you are hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Please
go
carry
ahead.
on. Please carry on.
Actually, sorry guys.
Karen.
Yes. If you are life, you are helping someone people, so you help to the way like using word like if you are good for using word, so that time the people realize of that effect you are saying to that person. So back in background the uh, in effect showing. So don't hurt to anyone to any particular word. So love each other and help each and every people as possible in your day to day life. So that is it would be help to our country to grow as much as better way. So actually when the if you are smiling in your face in front of your any person, so that person also realize the you are the thinking means the person's life is also happy. So I request to all of you guys to don't hurt to any un wanted words so in your speaking to our people. So just give to smile to each and every, then the people also enjoying their lives also. And so thanks, Shekhar sir, author Sherry, given me this opportunity, wonderful opportunity, and the public university uh, team to thanks a lot of your efforts. Definitely improve myself. Thank you so much, team.
दोस्तों जोरदार तालियां हो जाए विशाल भाई के लिए, जोरदार तालियां प्लीज। इट इज नॉट रियली इजी, आज उनका फर्स्ट टाइम है दोस्तों, और आप देखिए कि कितना जबरदस्त तरीके से ये कोशिश कर रहे थे बोलने का, और मैसेज भी मिल गया होगा कि डोंट हर्ट बाय योर वर्ड्स। उन्होंने वही सारी बात बोलने की कोशिश करी है, एंड रियली ग्लैड के मतलब ये सारा बोल पाए। व्हाट अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट, एंड ट्रस्ट मी विशाल भाई, यू आर रियली गेटिंग बेटर, एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू योर गट्स कि आप इतना बोल पाए, कर पाए। राइट शरी भाई? राइट, सो ग्रेट फ्रेंड्स, ग्रेट स्टार्ट। एंड नाउ अब एक ट्विस्ट है। सबसे पहले मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूंगा सभी को अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लें। आई एम श्योर आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि एक वो ऑर्डर है जिस ऑर्डर पे मैं सबको बुलाऊंगा, लेकिन अब मैंने ट्विस्ट कर दिया है, मैं रैंडमली किसी को भी मतलब अनाउंस करने वाला, किसी का भी नाम, अब वो किसका नाम आ जाए नेवर नो। प्लीज हैव योर कैमरा ऑन, बी रेडी। राइट, वो जो चाय के पकौड़े स्नैक्स वगैरह साइड में रखिए, राइट, और बी रेडी विद योर वर्ड्स, राइट। ओके, सो अगला कौन आ रहे हैं, आ रही हैं, लेट्स सी। एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज समवन फ्रॉम दुबई। लेट्स वेलकम मिस्टर उमर शरीफ, public speaker Umar Sharif, welcome.
Thank you, Gaurav. I just put on my timer so that I stay within time.
The time starts now.
Thanks. Lovely evening to all of you speakers from warm and hot Dubai right now. You guys are enjoying monsoon. Keep enjoying. Today's topic is words and the power they have. You know, last year, me and my family went for a staycation to stay in a resort in Ras Al Khaimah, which is actually one of the Emirates in the UAE. Beautiful resort, lovely, very plush, very spacious. And as we spent the night there, next day morning, I was very eager to see how the view is from my room. And so I got up in the morning and moved the curtains aside from the balcony door. And outside, I could see deep blue sea, unending ocean, beautiful view just 100 meters away from me. And as I stared at the ocean, I could hear the waves of the ocean crashing against the shore. I could hear the kids laughing and crying with laughter and enjoyment as they played in the sand and the waters. As I looked down from the balcony, from the patio, I saw lush greenery all around the resort, beautiful manicured lawns spaced out by multiple swimming pools and beautiful trees. On one corner, there was a lovely, nice, round restaurant with a beautiful red canopy on top, and breakfast was going on there. And as I could hear the clinking and clanging of the spoons and forks against the plates, I could smell the freshly brewed coffee and the freshly baked bread. Now, as I was saying this, I'm sure some of you actually saw and heard whatever I have seen and heard that time, and maybe some of you also tasted the coffee too. That, my friends, is the power of words. Words actually have the power to move you, to take you to very, very exotic places. And at the same time, they also have the ability to take you to places which you wish you've never been, both literally and metaphorically. Be careful with the words you choose. We make our lives with feelings, right? Feelings generally make our lives very confident and make them complete. And the way we convey our feelings to people is through the use of words. And if you're not very careful with the words you use, you tend to deepen your feelings, and those become your experience, making you a person or your outlook either positive or negative. Whoever said that the pen is mightier than the sword was absolutely spot on. Words are not just a form of communication. They actually can help you develop your belief, your thought, and eventually, ultimately, make you act as well. If you're one of those people, when someone asks you as to how are you doing, and you respond by saying, I'm okay, I'm fine, change that to saying, I'm doing great, I'm fantastic, life could never be better, and see the impact in your life, the way those words can actually bring about. Words are very powerful. Like they say, words are not just the way you say things, it's about all the way people actually hear you. Finally, I'll conclude by saying, do not use words as bullets where they can hurt people. Use them as seeds where you can nurture them, care them for the relationships you have with people. Thank you.
Wow, great,
Wow.
lovely. What a great way you ended it. Dot on time.
Wow.
Super.
Thank you.
You're amazing, amazing. And friends,
Omar,
now,
did you
Omar has a way with words, huh?
Yeah,
Did you
superb.
rehearse for this talk?
Sorry?
I said, did you rehearse for this talk?
I
For the
did.
time.
I did.
So can you please tell us how did you rehearse for this talk?
Okay, so first of all, I made a very rough script by myself based on the experience I had. And then I rehearsed it almost like 4 to 5 times. The point was I was trying to stay within 3 minutes. And sometimes it was staying within 3 minutes, sometimes it was going beyond three. The words were mine every time I rehearsed, but the time was critical. And so I think I tried to do something now. Almost
Can you say
achieved it.
that word again? Time is what?
Time was critical for me
Sorry,
to,
I didn't hear that again. Can you please say it loud?
time was critical.
A little loud, please.
Critical?
Thanks, Siddhant.
Important?
Cheers to that. Okay, great. Over to you, Gaurav.
Thanks.
lovely. Kya baat hai. Very nice. All right. So that was Umar Sharif from Dubai. And now, friends, it is my pleasure to invite not the speaker, but our great pillar of MS Talks team. Let's invite with a great and lovely round of applause, Mr. Subhash. Subhash
Archie,
ji.
welcome. It's a great honor for us. That
Yes, yes,
Thank
yes.
you for taking out the time for all of us and blessing us. Subhash ji is General
Subhash ji, we
Secretary.
would love to have a few words from you. And
Subhash ji,
Sharima, yeah,
please,
you were saying something about Subhash ji. Yeah.
Friend, Subhash ji is one of our mentors at MS Talks India. Is ser- serving us for last few years as Secretary General MS Talks India. He has headed many organizations and associations as president. He's one of the individual who I look up to, very inspiring in his work, and at the same time serving a lot into different communities with his time and efforts. He's a senior advocate, and Subhash, it's a great honor to have you with us.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's my honor, it's my pleasure to be associated with you talk and serving the general public with my experience. Actually, it's part of the way of people. As we all participants know, it is very great officer. We all good platform to get abroad, and the main is to make 1 million public speakers by 2030. And we are all helping him to fulfill his that desire, that dream. For this, he is working very hard in association with all his friends, all his associates, with love and affection, and he will definitely fulfill his desire. And all of us best wishes are with him. Full support is with him, our support is with him, and we stand by him to fulfill that desire. And now we have started this public speaking university under the banner of which we are all here. This is doing a great job with a few months, and I'm sure you will see with your own experience that whatever is being done to make the general public, particularly younger people, how to speak, how to see the word of today's talk, choosing your word. So sweet of it. Choosing your word is very important. When you talk to someone, when you interact, when you say something on the stage, outside the stage, you have to choose your words to attract and not to hurt others. That's very important. How to choose it. So like this, we working very hard. We all have to support all my best wishes of prosperity for all these things, and particularly my thanks to Gaurav again, our friend. It is very lovely presenting you every time. All my thanks to you, and all my best wishes to every participant, particularly in this board we have invited 100 speakers, 25 speakers each day. All my best wishes to them, and I hope we will learn many things from this platform, and we will improve your speaking power on everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your blessings. Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much, Subhash. It's really always great to have you. And please continue showering your blessings to us. And all right, friends, हमने रिच फॉन्टेन को देखा कि वो एक बुक के साथ बात कर रहे थे एल्केमिस्ट की, और जो शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग है, जब आप तुम किसी चीज को दिलो जान से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें लाने में लग जाती है, is actually taken from the Alchemist. So, topic is words, and we are moving over to our very next speaker, and the name is, जिसने दिल जीत लिया है. Let's invite Diljit Singh. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Good evening to all of you. Sir, I'm audible?
Yeah, full on audible, visible, ekdam.
Okay. Thank you. Saurabh, are you here? Saurabh, can you hear me?
Yes.
Saurabh, यार तुम अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हो यार. तुम लाइन छोड़ दो. तुम एक स्पीकर नहीं बन सकते. ये 3 वर्ड्स मैंने भी सौरभ को बोले हैं. अगर ये 3 वर्ड्स मैं किसी और को बोलता, अब तक वो डीमोटिवेट हो चुका होता. यही है पावर, वर्ड्स की पावर. वर्ड्स कैन ब्रेक यू. शुरू करता हूँ स्टार्टिंग से. एक टीचर जो होती है ना, टीचर बच्चे को शुरू से पढ़ाती है, तुम अच्छा कर सकते हो, यू आर द बेस्ट. अगर टीचर बच्चे को बोलेगी यू आर द बेस्ट, वो बच्चा कर दिखाएगा. उसे नहीं भी आता होगा ना, वो ट्राई करेगा और वो कर दिखाएगा. क्यों? टीचर ने बोला हुआ था तुम कर सकते हो. अगर वो बच्चा एप्रिशिएट हुआ है, अ पर्सन हु फील्स एप्रिशिएटेड विल ऑलवेज डू मोर देन व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. ये होता है दोस्त, लाइफ में ये चीज मैटर करती है. वही टीचर उस बच्चे को बोलती है तुम डफर हो, तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. जैसे मैंने सौरभ को बोला तुम नहीं कर सकते. अगर वो बच्चे को चीज बोली जाती है ना, बच्चा कहता है मैं कर ही नहीं सकता यार, छोड़ो, मैं क्यों करूं, मैं कर ही नहीं सकता. वो करता ही नहीं है. हम दूसरों से वो वर्ड्स ले लेते हैं जो नेगेटिव होते हैं. एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं. मुझे कोई कहता है तुम बड़े से स्पीकर हो यार, बड़ा अच्छा बोलते हो. अरे मैं कहाँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. कोई मुझे कहता है तुम्हें बोलना ही नहीं आता. अच्छा, नहीं आता होगा यार, मैं कमी. नेगेटिविटी मैंने उसे ले ली, पॉजिटिविटी नहीं दी, प्रेज नहीं दी. ये हमारी मेंटालिटी है, चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. मैं खुद पर लेकर आता हूँ बात. हमें खुद से कैसे बात करनी है. दूसरों को मोटिवेट करोगे आप, पहले खुद से बात करनी सीखो. खुद से कैसे बात करनी है. Being a male is a matter of birth. Being a man is a matter of age, and being a gentleman is a matter of choice. Mindset. आपका mindset कैसा है, आप अपने से कैसे बात कर रहे हो, मैटर करता है. मैंने एक पॉजिटिव वर्ड खुद को दिया, किसी ने कहा तुम बेस्ट हो, मैंने वो खुद को दिया, मैं बेस्ट बन जाऊंगा. अगर किसी ने कहा तुम बुरे हो, मैं बुरा ही बन जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैंने वो सोच उससे ले ली. हमें माइंडसेट अच्छा करना है, एक अच्छी सोच लेनी है. हर रोज सुबह उठ के एक बार एक काम किया कीजिए, अपने आप से बात कीजिए, शीशे के सामने खड़े हो जाइए, बोलिए आई एम द बेस्ट, आई कैन डू एनीथिंग. फर्स्ट थिंग, आई लव माई सेल्फ, आई लव माई सेल्फ, आई लव माई सेल्फ. ये बोलना मत छोड़िएगा. जब तक आप खुद को प्यार करोगे ना, किसी का प्यार आपको नहीं चाहिए. खुद से प्यार करना सीखना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू लव योरसेल्फ. लास्ट में 2 लाइनें बोल के मैं रुखसत होता हूँ. चल जिंदगी, चल जिंदगी, चल जिंदगी नई शुरुआत करते हैं. चल जिंदगी नई शुरुआत करते हैं. जो उम्मीद औरों से थी, जो उम्मीद औरों से थी, वो अब खुद से करते हैं. Thanks for listening. Thanks for giving your time.
Wow, what a lovely rocking performance.
Thank you. Thank you.
Friends, round of applause for Diljit Singh.
वीर जी ऐसे चिक्का मारता है.
दिल जीत लिया आज से.
सर मैं तैयारी नहीं की थी, I'm just coming from office, तो सर बोले टाइम से आने में जल्दी आया और कर दिया.
Great, amazing.
Very good.
Really rocked it.
Okay. I want to ask all of you some critical learning from Diljit's attempt here. Can anyone guess what he has attempted? Anybody, please? Let's take an advantage of what speakers are doing over here, and let's learn from the speakers live here. Anybody who would like to tell what
Sir, he developed a curiosity in me कि क्या बोलने वाले. His opening statement I think Athar Sherry साहब use this hook and engagement ऐसा करके use किए थे आप technique.
Okay, great. So that's one. What else?
He was setting an example with the help of curiosity creating, and it was wonderful. I mean, with his good expressions, I would say, in fact.
Wonderful. What else?
Thank you, boss.
So he was motivating himself and others.
Okay, all right.
That's,
Thank you very much.
that will be.
Over to you,
That's
Gaurav.
it.
All right, great learning, friends, and you were amazing, Diljit Bhai. And now we are moving over
Thank
to
you,
our
Diljit.
very next speaker, and the name is Chitra Vasayani. Welcome, Chitra ji. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, can I set the timer for? Give me just 1 minute. I'll set my timer.
अरे 1 minute 3 minute तो मिले total 1 minute आप time में लगा. Your time starts now.
Hi, good evening, Public Speaking University. How's the Josh?
Hi.
How's the Josh?
Hi.
Fantastic. This is what I wanted because I cannot speak without high energy and I need to get high. But मुझे एक बात बताइए आप लोग, ना मैंने compliment की, ना 30 या 60 ml आया कहीं से, तो फिर ये जोश हाई कैसे हो गया? It is the word that you choose. It is the word that you choose to speak. So just imagine, एक second में ये word ने हमको किस mood से किस mode पे लेके आए. So when words, if they're so important, why are we so careless and ignorant about using our words? In reality, I'll tell you, at least once a day, at least once, हम किसी न किसी को hurt करते हैं, पर हमें पता नहीं चलता है इस बात का. Why? Because we are ignorant about our words. So there are two most powerful words in this universe. I am. If I ask you to fill in the blanks with one word after this, I just want one word. It could be either in the chat box or you can just keep it to yourself. I am dash. I am dash. Quickly, I want some responses here. I am dash. I am the best. Yes, I am the best. I am a doctor. I am a mother. I am happy. There are so many things. But for the moment, unanimously, let's replace all these words with I am love. I am love. The moment you tell this word will get converted into thought. Thought will create your actions and then your character, your destiny. Do you know that one word, हमारा एक word, जीते जागते इंसान को मार डालता है और एक मरते हुए इंसान को जीने की उम्मीद दे देता है. Sticks and stones can break the bones. Sticks and stones can break the bones, but one word will tear the brain. Sticks and stones will cut the skin. Sticks and stones will cut the skin, but one will make you a ghost that will haunt somebody throughout the life. Do you want to become a ghost or an angel? The choice is yours. The choice of these words will make you an angel or a ghost. It will convert. हमारी ये जो धरती है ना, यहीं बैठे बैठे जन्नत में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी अगर हमने हमारे शब्दों का सही इस्तेमाल किया. वाणी को सिर्फ वाणी ना रखे, अमृत वाणी कर देते हैं. Why wait for an afterlife, यार? Why wait for an afterlife to see heaven when we all can do it all together here? मुझे आप सबके साथ जन्नत में जीना है. मुझे उधर जाके इंतजार नहीं करना है. I want the जन्नत here. Let's all together make it. Thank you everybody. Thank you.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, lovely.
क्या खा के आए आज?
मैं हाउस द जोश बोल के आई हूँ.
अच्छा चित्रा, आपने जो लाइन बोली थी स्टिक एंड स्टोन वाली, ये लाइन आपने कहाँ पढ़ी? आप बता सकते हैं?
ये एक नर्सरी राइम है जो मैंने काफी टाइम पहले, जब मेरा बच्चा छोटा था ना, तो मैंने कहीं पे YouTube पे वो देखी थी या सुनी थी. So I just remembered it, you know, मतलब वो यहाँ घुस गई थी मेरे पास, तो मुझे वो आज मौका मिल गया कि मैं वो लाइन शेयर करूँ.
क्या बात जी, ये लाइन आप मुझे एक बार व्हाट्सएप पे भेजना जरा है। आई वुड लव टू हैव दिस लाइन। ये लाइन मैंने भी एक किताब में पढ़ी थी, वर्बल जूडो नाम है किताब का, एंड द लाइन फॉर लाइक दिस, स्टिक एंड स्टोन्स will break your bones, but words will break your hearts. That's why we need to speak effectively.
I'll share it with you. I'll share it in the group, definitely.
All right. Over to you, Gaurav.
Lovely, very nice, and thank you for sharing this, Chitraji. You rock. And now we are moving over to our very next speaker. बड़ा धार्मिक सा नाम है. Let's invite Pooja ji, Pooja Ladha.
पूजा अनम्यूट कर लो आप।
हाँ, सभी को अनम्यूट करके ही बोलना है, म्यूट करके तो बोलते ही रहते हैं। So,
yeah, hello everyone. So just tell me whether my time has started.
Yes.
Okay. So this is with me. कारगिल का मैदान है, एक साइड में इंडियन आर्मी और एक साइड में सारे आतंकवादी, दोनों के हाथों में गन है। इसी सीन को हम पॉज कर देते हैं और हम कुछ डिटेल में समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। मेरे हाथ में क्या है? गन। इसके अंदर क्या है? बुलेट। बुलेट के अंदर है गन पाउडर। ओके, ये बुलेट जब चल जाएगी, मैटर कर रहा है कि इसे चला कौन रहा है। अगर इसे इंडियन आर्मी चला रहा है, उसका जो इंटेंशन है दैट इज इक्वल टू गन पाउडर। जो चला रहा है, वो जो बुलेट है दैट इज इक्वल टू वर्ड, एंड वो जिसके तरफ चलाया जा रहा है वो सामने वाला इंसान है, वो भी मैटर करता है कि वो क्या चला रहा है। उसके भी बुलेट्स निकल रहे हैं, उसके अंदर भी गन पाउडर। तो आज को ये जो मेरा टॉक है ना, इसके अंदर मैं बोलना चाहूंगी ये गन पाउडर के ऊपर। हम वर्ड्स के बारे में तो समझ रहे हैं, हमें पता है वर्ड्स में क्या पावर है। एक ओम वर्ड जो पूरा यूनिवर्स उसके अंदर समा जाता है इन वन ओम वर्ड। सो बट ये जो गन पाउडर है, ये गन पाउडर के अंदर में ये किससे बनता है? ये बनता है अपने इंटेंशन से, अपने थिंकिंग और फीलिंग से। और ये थिंकिंग और फीलिंग का ये जो बैकग्राउंड है ना, इसके लिए मैं एक छोटी सी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी। एक ही जैसे दो फ्रेंड्स है, बिल्कुल नेबरहुड में रहते हैं। एक का माहौल जो है वो बहुत सुहावना है, मतलब उसको सब कुछ मिल रहा है, खाने पीने के लिए सब कुछ मिल रहा है, बहुत हाई फैमिली है। लेकिन वहां पे जो वर्ड्स यूज किए जा रहे हैं वो इमोशनली मेलोड्रामा चल रहा है। वहां पे अपने बड़ों का अपमान किया जा रहा है। तो ये जो सीड प्लांट अगर उस एरिया में हुआ तो वो जो बच्चा उसका इस तरीके से संस्कार होंगे, वो बिल्कुल अलग होगा दूसरे बच्चे से जो एक गरीब फैमिली में है। लेकिन उसको समझाया जा रहा है कि बच्चा तेरे लिए पूरा आसमान खुला है, तो उसके जो विंग्स होंगे ना वो उसी वाइड तरीके से फैलेंगे। तो सच में ये वर्ड्स कैसे मैटर करते हैं? ये मैटर करते हैं कि किस जमीन में हम वो प्लांट कर रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर वो वर्ड्स बहुत मैटर करेंगे। So these words have a power to change our destiny. They will open door for us. So work on your that gunpowder and you can change your destiny. Thank you.
All right, fantastic, lovely.
Wow.
Very nice. All right, friends. So that was Pooja. And now we are moving to someone Dooja. And next speaker is K. Ramalakshmi. We have it, K. Ramalakshmi. Public speaker, K. Ramalakshmi. Is she here?
Yes.
She here. Yeah. Welcome.
Yes, thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. This is Ramalakshmi from Tamil Nadu. Before I start, I would like to ask a few questions, simple questions to all of you. How are you? Are you looking beautiful? Are you looking handsome? Are you doing great? Yes? Yes, words. The words we use reflects about ourselves, right? If you use positive words, then you will reflect as a positive person. If you choose negative words to speak, you will, of course, be negative. The choice of words you use directly reflects on the quality of your thoughts. Words are the outcome of our thoughts. So if you want to improve the quality of your thoughts, you must be wise in choosing the words to speak to yourself and to others, right? As we were growing up, my father will always tell us, we should be careful with the words we use. They have the power to make someone or break someone. He always advises, if someone hurts you with their words, don't reply, don't get hurt. The God will pay back. Trust me, I follow this principle that I should never hurt anyone, knowingly or unknowingly, by my words. See, you have matchbox, right? This matchsticks. With this matchsticks, you can light a candle to remove the darkness of the entire house, or you can destroy the entire house with this fire. The choice is yours. Likewise, the words are also like this matchsticks. Words are the most powerful force available to humanity. So words can break or can make someone, can make the relationship or can break the relationship. And the choice of words you use and the way you express yourself can accelerate or kill one's life. So the only thing that comes out from a human being that can be sweet are only your words. So make sure your words should not be stings. So speak right words, speak with right intention, speak in a right way. With these words, I would like to conclude my talk. And I like to thank Author Sherry for this wonderful opportunity. And the words you expressed in my feedback and reviews makes me a complete confident person than before. I thank Public Speaking University family for their supportive and positive words. Thank you, one and all.
Awesome, you rock, Ramalakshmi ji.
Wow,
Very
Ramalakshmi.
nice. And you know, I
Wonderful.
really remember also your that presentation video whiteboard mein, you know, you were explaining the things and your kid was playing, but you were never get distracted. You were, you know, on full flow. So and you're really getting better every time. So hats off.
Gaurav, I guess you will agree to me on this. Yesterday, the set of speakers we aligned, we got to be very careful now with the lineup of speakers, because today what I can see is the fire is already ablazing here across. One after the other, people are hitting sixes and it's getting smashed out of the park. And we need to align the speakers carefully next time. Kara, I think we should better take care of this. First five, last five, middle, it has to be like a speech. Crisp, concise, and glorified. Over to you.
True, you are so right. And guess what? You don't know, Sherry bhai, कि आपने जो वो feedback दिया ना, जो 30 days के video में small things, that has come out so wonderfully that everyone has started working on few of those things.
Ramalakshmi has done today.
Yeah.
Incredible way.
Thank you.
Commendable.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. God bless you and keep shining.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, friends, we are moving over to next speaker, and name is Mr. Girish Gadar. I'm sure मैं Gadar. Please आप मुझे अपना सरनेम बता दीजिए. गिरीश जी.
Hello, one and all. My name is Girish Gadad. Little complicated, no problem. But I'm really happy. After a pretty long time, I'm able to meet all of you. I was not well, so I could not attend some 30 days program continuously. So here today, our topic is words. One of my favorite philosophers, Socrates, has said a beautiful proverb that goes like this: before you say something to someone, always have these three gatekeepers as a words. I think Shirish sir has already nodding his head. He already knows it, I think. The first one is, whatever you are saying, is it truthful? Number two, whatever you are saying, is it kind? And number three, whatever you are saying, is it necessary? So I still remember almost 5 years ago, I had a very dashing and a very interesting colleague in my institute. She was very interesting as well as she was very dashing colleague. But whenever the class is about to finish, she used to go out with one of her students for a long walk. Many a times when we used to have a small break, tea break, when we have a small tea break, we used to gather, and many of our colleagues used to have a small talk about both of them. Like, how can she go with a student alone? Or does she have any affair with him? A kind of a gossip mongering used to happen among our team. Slowly, this poison started spreading even in the classrooms. And the students, their perception towards her has completely changed. They started looking her in a completely different way. And ironically, she has to leave the institute. Now, let me come back to the proverb. Whatever you say, is it true? No, she did not have any affair with him. Both of us used to stay in the same apartment. So she wanted a company and she used to go with him. Whether is it necessary? Of course, it was not necessary, because once you speak something about someone, that spreads like a fire in the forest and you cannot stop it. And whether it is kind, of course, my dear friends, you can make out it was not at all kind, as she has to lose her job. So with this, I would like to end my today's speech. I'm really thankful to all of you to give me an opportunity to speak about today's topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Girish ji. Lovely, very nice. And now, friends, we are inviting our very next speaker, and name is Saranjit Kaur, the public speaker Saranjit Kaur. Can we have a round of applause for Saranjit?
Hi, here again, Saranjit Kaur with a big smile. I'm good enough and will be a very good going ahead. I'm audible? Hello?
Yes, you're audible. Carry on.
Okay. Words, beautiful words to be used each and every aspect. I mean, words are so powerful that can create a revolution. Yes, my dear friends, तुम मुझे खून दोगे, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. What a perfect dialogue was used for the freedom fighters. It has been used till today in film industries and in our books also. Yes, words can do wonders. They can heal, they can hurt, they can hinder, they can humble. Yes, words can create so miracle in the world. They can turn a cold-blooded person to ashes. Yes, it can slaughter the souls. Words can heal the dying person. Words are so powerful. Kabir ji has said, ऐसी बाणी बोलिए मन का पाकोए आपन को शीतल करे औरन को शीतल होए. I just skip the opposite one. ऐसी बाणी बोलिए मन को शीतल होए आपन को शीतल करे औरन को शीतल होए. So we need to be very, very kind in our words. We need to be very humble. We need to think before we speak. Yes, the words once spoken cannot be recovered back. It is very important to be humble. My mother taught me 3 magic words. Yes, my mother taught me you always use please, always use sorry, always use thank you. These are 3 words, magic words, which we use in our conversation that can create a very good effect in our conversation. Unpack your desires, come up with your feelings. That is the best way to deal with other persons and heal yourself first. Thank you.
All right, great. Thank you, Saranjit ji. That was amazing. And friends, now I would like to invite the next speaker, and the name is Goyal. Payal Goyal. CA Payal Goyal. Can we invite the public speaker, Payal Goyal ji? दोस्तों प्लीज तालियों पे कंजूसी नहीं कीजिए, आप वो वर्चुअल भी कर सकते हैं क्लैप, राइट? सो पायल जी, ओवर टू यू.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I hope that I'm audible and visible. I just thought to ask before.
Wow, ये क्वेश्चन ना मेरे को हर बार आने वाला है, ऑडिबल विजिबल.
पता चले हम बोलते रहे और हम अपने आप से ही बोल रहे हैं.
Right, right. All the best. Your time starts now.
Thank you. Words. Words can inspire and words can destroy. Words can hurt and words can heal. Words can make and words can break. Even a smallest of the sentence has the power to impact the listener, both in a positive as well as the negative way. And to correlate with this, I would like to share with you all my story. It was around 8 years back when we thought to start our family. And initially only we came to know that there are severe complications with me. So we visited this one of the best hospital in the city as recommended by our friends. And after undergoing various tests and procedures, the doctor on my face, she just said, it's going to be a miracle if you will ever conceive. You will either have to go for the surrogacy or adoption. Means my word crashed. समझ ही नहीं आया कैसे रिएक्ट करूं, और जब मैं सोच रही थी आई विल प्रेजेंट दिस स्टोरी, तो मुझे तब भी नहीं समझ में आया हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन माय फीलिंग्स एट दैट टाइम. वी जस्ट केम होम. मैं बहुत दिन तक आई वाज क्राइंग एंड आई गॉन इनटू द डिप्रेशन, and at the time we moved the city also, so I took sabbatical from my job. So I was at home doing nothing and crying. And after giving few months to this, my husband just convinced me to go to other doctors also. And then we came across this newly opened clinic in the city. And just while entering, the aura there and the friendly doctors, means the words of the doctors were so positive, were so soothing, that what to say, that today I am blessed with, means I am a proud mother of 6-year-old twins, and that to a boy and a girl. Means that is the power of the words. And the magical words, those magical words were, if I will summarize, the doctor said to me that never lose hope without trying, and don't underestimate the power of your intentions. And what I learned from this is that miracles do happen. So just see how the words of 2 esteemed professionals in the same field impacted me. Words of one led me to the depression, and the other not gave me the hope, but the gift of life. So obvious, please, I'll just urge you every time, just use your words tactfully, especially if you are delivering any sensitive or negative news. Otherwise also try to be positive, humble, so that you can have positive impact on the mind of the listener. So this was me, Payal Goyal, sharing my views on choose your words. I hope I did in time.
Yeah, before time. Great, lovely. lovely, lovely. Very nice, Payal ji. All right, friends, that was Payal. और अब एक जरूरी सूचना, स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट कि हमारा जो है आज कार्निवाल डे 3 है, कल फाइनल डे है डे 4. बट गेस व्हाट, एवरीवन हम लोग इनवाइट कर रहे हैं कि आप लोग सभी आइए कार्निवाल डे 4 पे. बट द लॉग इन टाइम वुड बी 7:45. नो, 8:45. यस, 8:45 PM पे आप लोगों को सबको लॉग इन करना है. देयर वुड बी लॉट मेनी अनाउंसमेंट्स, सरप्राइजेस, सो मेनी थिंग्स. बट मेक श्योर you log in. You all are coming together and we are going to have a great time. So it was Payal, everyone. Great. And now we are moving over to our next speaker. And next speaker is also Goyal, but Goyal की spelling अलग है. And the name is Parth Goyal. Can we invite public speaker Parth Goyal. The public speaker कहने की आदत डाल लो.
Hello, sir.
Parth, over to you.
Hello, sir. If you want to change your life, begin by changing your words. Start speaking the words of your dreams, not the words of fear of failure. रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी ने ये बात बोली कि आप जो बनना चाहते हो वो वर्ड्स बोलिए, फेलियर के वर्ड्स ना बोलिए. देख लो अपने माइंड, आप अपने थॉट्स, हमें एक मिनट में हर रोज बहुत ज़्यादा थॉट्स आते हैं, हम थॉट्स को अपने बिल्कुल भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, पर वर्ड्स एंड एक्शंस हमारे हाथ में होते हैं. अगर आप डेली पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं तो उसी हिसाब से आपको थॉट्स आते हैं, और जैसे आपको थॉट्स आते हैं वैसे आपके एक्शंस होते हैं, और आउटकम भी बिल्कुल वैसा ही होता है. अपने माइंड को डेली बेसिस पे ऑटो सजेशन दे दिया कीजिए. ऑटो सजेशन का मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल स्कूल के लिए, स्कूल या कॉलेज के लिए सुबह किसी को जल्दी उठना होता है, कोई नहीं उठ पाता, पर अगर आपको किसी ट्रिप पे जाना है या रेल फ्लाइट पकड़नी है, हम बारी बारी बोलते हैं कल तो जाने, कल तो जाने, कल तो जाने ही जाना है, और वही माइंड हमारा पकड़ लेता है और माइंड बोलता है अरे कल तो जाने ही जाना है, कल तो जाना ही जाना है, और हम सुबह टाइम से पहले उठ जाते हैं. इसी को कहते हैं ऑटो सजेशन. अपने वर्ड्स को नेगेटिव कंटेंट से बिल्कुल दूर कर लीजिए, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स विद अ माइंडसेट, और माइंडसेट एक बार आपका खराब हो गया तो वो बिल्कुल बनने में बहुत टाइम लगता है उसको, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स विद हियर.
Parth, we are unable to hear you.
Parth, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. नहीं आ रही आवाज, नहीं आ रही. आपने अनम्यूट कर लिया, आपने अनम्यूट कर लिया. मैं आपको बेटर योर बैक.
हेलो. क्योंकि माइंड, आपके वर्ड्स जैसे होंगे वैसे ही आपका व्यवहार होगा, और व्यवहार जैसा आपका होगा वैसे ही आपका प्रचार होगा, और जिसका बड़ा प्रचार उसका बड़ा व्यापार. जैसे वर्ड्स आपके हर चीज में काम आते हैं, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन हर चीज में मैटर करती है, आपका बिजनेस हो, आपके रिलेशनशिप्स हो, हर चीज में वर्ड्स मैटर करते हैं. वर्ड्स कैन ब्रेक यू एंड वर्ड्स कैन मेक यू. एवरी वॉर कैन बी सॉल्व्ड विद योर वर्ड्स. कोई लड़ाई नहीं, कोई नहीं, बस वर्ड्स एक ऐसी चीज है जो हर चीज में आपका मतलब आपका रिजल्ट्स अच्छे ला सकते हैं. एक हर चीज में अपने पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स यूज कीजिए, ऑटो सजेशन देते दीजिए, ये मेरे एडवाइस है. एंड फाइनली, thank you Athar Sherry sir for this amazing opportunity. This is my first time, and my confidence when I started your journey, and when I started the day one, my confidence was here, and now it is here. Thank you sir, thank you.
क्या बात है पार्थ. अरे आपके पास 1 मिनट और था, 2 मिनट. क्या बात है. लवली, वेरी नाइस पार्थ. एंड दोस्तों, यस सर.
पार्थ, एक अच्छा काबिल पब्लिक स्पीकर बनने के लिए बेटे आपके पास सब कुछ है, ठीक है. अपनी वॉइस थ्रो पे काम करना है. नंबर 1, खट्टी चीज खाते हो, तला हुआ चीज खाते हो?
यस सर.
है ना, थोड़ा कम कर दो और वॉइस थ्रो पे काम करो. वॉइस थ्रो के लिए मेंटरशिप सेशन 2 यूट्यूब पे मिलेगा, एमएस टॉक के यूट्यूब चैनल पे. उस पे वॉइस थ्रो की एक्सरसाइज बताई थी मैंने. आप उस पे एक बार जरा वो वीडियो देखो ध्यान से. अगर वाकई में अच्छे पब्लिक स्पीकर बनना चाहते हो, आपके पास सारी खूबियां हैं, भगवान ने दी हुई हैं सारी खूबियां, सिर्फ वो वॉइस थ्रो पे काम कर लो. आवाज थोड़ी ठीक कर लो. आवाज का प्रेशर जो है वो खुल के नहीं आ रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं लैरिंग्स में हवा पास कम हो रही है, और थोड़ा ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज किया करो. बस ये 2-3 चीजें फॉलो कर लो एंड यू आर थ्रू. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
All right, thank you so much Sherry bhai for sharing this wonderful piece of information. And friends, this is for everyone. जहां पर भी आप अपने आप को बेटर करना चाहते हैं, कई बार कहते हैं छोटी-छोटी चीजें हमारे लाइफ में, हमारे स्पीकिंग एबिलिटी में बहुत मेजर डिफरेंस लाती हैं. And Sherry sir has seen all of it. This is all coming from an experience. So thank you so much for sharing. And now we are moving over to our next speaker. And next in the list is the celebrity, Sunny Leone.
एक बात और कहनी है गौरव, सॉरी सनी, मैं अभी आपके पास आ रहा हूँ. तो पार्थ, ठंडा पानी पीते हो क्या आप? पार्थ चला गया?
यस सर, यस.
ठंडा पानी कम कर दो, नॉर्मल वाटर पे आ जाओ, ठीक है. ये चीजें बेटा कोई बताएगा नहीं, प्रॉब्लम ये है तो बड़ी बेसिक चीजें, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं करता है इसके बारे में. आपके लिए आ गया माइंड में तो मैंने कहा इससे बता दूं मैं. थैंक यू.
All right guys, that was pretty serious, and this is, I think, for everyone. And now, next we have is, any guesses? Not Sunny Leone, of course. So name is Karan Jotkar. Can we have Karan Jotkar, the public speaker, Karan Jot?
Thank you so much, but I'm not at all impressed with my change of name, please.
अरे नहीं नहीं, that was not for you. वो अभी आई नहीं है, आएंगी बाद में. Over to you.
अरे
All the
कोई
best.
नहीं, I was just kidding. Okay, words. 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 No. Wisdom that's obtained through the reasoning power to just a second. OMG, I forgot. No, it is wisdom that's obtained through the reasoning power, which is to be fed to the subconscious mind. That is my definition of words. Words form just the 7% of the communication, but they have immense power in themselves. Not only just in context to the communication, but in context to the connection and exchange of feelings. Let me take you a few years back when I had just embraced motherhood and my daughter was 3 months old. But at that time, my mother-in-law, she faced some serious backbone issues and she was completely bedridden. That time, I was absolutely clueless as to how am I going to manage up everything. I mean, hospital visits, every medication, the guests arriving, it was a mess. But then I said something to myself. If God has kept me in such a situation, that means that He understands me to be worthy enough to handle everything in a very fine way. It's okay, Karan, you can do it. Those 2-3 months, it was like whenever I felt low or I felt very exhausted, these words would just pop up into my mind as a reminder. The words which I had used just to empower my fear, just to overcome it, actually became the words of motivation to me. You cannot see words, you cannot see the energy, you cannot see the feelings, but we all can feel it. We all can sense it. Words may be simple, yet magical. They may be complex, but not connective. They may be hard, but inspiring. And they may be good to ears, but painful at heart. Words do matter because your thoughts are reflected in your words. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you told, but they will never forget how you made them feel. So choose your words wisely and let your wisdom be interpreted. Let your wisdom be imparted to each ear that listen to your words. Thank you so much.
All right, fantastic. So friends, that was Karanjot Kaur. Very, very nice, rocking. And next in the list is Bindu. Bindu ji. The public speaker Bindu ji, are you here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. Next in the list is Bitti Sodhi. Miss Bitti Sodhi. आप हैं यहाँ पे? अगर हैं तो अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. Okay. I think वो भी नहीं है. And next in the list is youngest author, I think. Youngest author. And the name is, I'm sure काफी लोगों को पता है. Yeah? Pavleen Kaur. Let's hear it for Pavleen Kaur, friends. Pavleen, here? She is here.
गौरव कौन सी तवलीन बुलाई
ये
है?
वो तवलीन कौर नहीं है, अपनी
अच्छा,
तवलीन कौर है.
टू तवलीन कौर. Okay. मेरे को तो लगा शहरी वाली. Okay, let's move on. Thank you so much for sharing this piece of information. God gives the name. And next we have is Satinder Singh.
तवलीन वैसे तो ट्राई कर सकती है अगर आना हो तो.
हाँ.
आ जाए impromptu. Come on, let's have a try. Come on.
Let's take a time. So Satinder Singh जी, आप तो हैं यहाँ पे. और दोस्तों, before he speaks, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि आपने ये जो वीडियो देखा था बीच में जो शहरी सर ने शेयर किया था, that is created from none other than Satinder Singh. So let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Public Speaker, of course, Satinder Singh.
Gaurav, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
Captain, we have a problem. What is the problem? Everything was fine a few minutes back. Captain, we have another light of a ship coming exactly at 90 degrees towards us. Everything was fine. Let me talk to them right away. Tell them to move away from here right now. We told them, but they have refused it. How the hell they can refuse it? Let me talk to them right now. Don't you know who we are? We are the 59th Steward Mighty Navy who fought in the Second World War. How can you come in front of us? We're exactly at 90 degrees from you right now, and we are coming at 50 miles an hour. Can you please move right now from here? Yeah, that is what I was trying to explain. This person was talking to me right just exactly before you. We are not here to listen what you want to say. We are the mighty 59 Steward Mighty for the Second World War. We have won many awards. Please move away right now. Now that is what I'm trying to explain to the person who was talking just before you. We are not here to listen to you. Okay, we are the lighthouse and you are coming towards the shore. My dear friends, this is exactly what happens when we are in our own words and we don't want to listen to the word of the other person. It was a lighthouse and just wanted to tell the other ship that you are coming towards the seashore. Words can kill and words can heal. Now just think what you imagine if I speak these words in front of you. Water, wind, ice. And not just again reimagine, how do you feel when I say these words? Fire, anger, stress, depression. My dear friends, words have got feelings. Words have got emotions. Words are everything. Everything that we have in this universe is words. So choose your words with great empathy. Choose your words with the great consciousness, mindfulness, and be aware what you are speaking and keep the other person exactly in between. Keep the other person in the center stage. So my dear, my message is that words are a living entity in this universe. Use your words with utmost wisdom, with utmost care, wherever you communicate. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much, Satyendra ji, for those beautiful words. Lovely. Very, very nice. Amazing. And दोस्तों, next we are inviting, name is, जिनका नाम मैं एक बार ले चुका हूं पहले, but guess what? उनका नाम दोबारा बोलने जा रहा हूं मैं live on Facebook on Public Speaking University. The name is Bitty Sodhi. Bitty ji, welcome. The public speaker Bitty Sodhi.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का टॉपिक है वर्ड्स। शब्द इस युग की सबसे शक्तिशाली चीज है, शस्त्रों से भी ज्यादा शक्तिशाली। शब्द हमें बनाते भी हैं, बिगाड़ते भी हैं। यही टॉपिक है हमारा। वर्ड्स जो हैं वो किसी रिश्ते को मिठास से भर देते हैं, किसी को कड़वाहट से भर देते हैं, किसी कमजोर बच्चे को सक्सेसफुल बना देते हैं, किसी सक्सेसफुल इंसान को नीचे भी गिरा सकते हैं। अगर हम कहें कि तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता, तुझसे नहीं होगा, तो ये सब चीजें इंसान को बहुत डिमोटिवेट करती हैं। जो वर्ड्स हैं वो हमारी थॉट्स का एक्सप्रेशन है। जो हमारे थॉट्स हैं वो थॉट्स हमारे वर्ड्स बनते हैं, और जो वर्ड्स हैं वो हमारे एक्शंस बनते हैं, और जो हमारे एक्शंस हैं वो हमारी हैबिट्स बनती हैं। हमारी हैबिट्स हमारा कैरेक्टर बनती हैं, और हमारा कैरेक्टर हमारी डेस्टिनी बनती है। इसका मतलब वर्ड्स हमारी डेस्टिनी बनाते हैं। हमको वर्ड्स को इस तरह से यूज करना चाहिए कि वो किसी की डेस्टिनी और हमारी डेस्टिनी दोनों को डिसाइड करते हैं। मेरी मदर ने मुझे 3 वर्ड्स दिए थे। पहला वर्ड था लर्निंग, जो मैं आज तक कर रही हूँ। सेकेंड था पेशेंस, जो मैं हमेशा अपनी लाइफ में फॉलो करती हूँ और हर चीज का वेट करती हूँ कि हाँ वो अब अच्छा होगा। मतलब मुझे कभी भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होती, बहुत ज्यादा खुश और बहुत ज्यादा दुख नहीं होता। एंड थर्ड जो है, उन्होंने कहा था कोई दुनिया में बहुत काम ऐसे हैं जो हमको करने पड़ते हैं, पर हमें अच्छे लगे या ना लगे। इसका मतलब जो काम करो खुशी से करो, किसी की सेवा करो खुशी से करो, कंप्लेन में नहीं जाना। और 2 वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जो मेरे बनाए हुए हैं, जो मैं कहती हूँ कि किसी को अप्रिशिएट करने में कंजूसी ना करो, किसी को ब्लेसिंग्स देने में कंजूसी ना करो, बिकॉज जो हमारे वर्ड्स हैं वो किसी का दिन बना सकते हैं। अगर आप कह देते हैं कि आप कितने सुंदर लग रहे हैं, तो ये छोटी सी बात है जो आप किसी का भी दिन बना सकती है। और अगर हम किसी को ब्लेसिंग्स देते हैं, मदर टेरेसा भी कहती हैं कि जो ब्लेसिंग्स हैं, काइंड वर्ड्स आर वेरी स्मॉल बट देयर इकोज आर एंडलेस। तो इसका मतलब हमको वर्ड्स को बहुत बहुत प्यार से यूज करना चाहिए। एक राइटर हैं पीटर, वो भी यही कहते हैं कि वर्ड्स आर लाइक अ एटम बॉम्ब, हैंडल देम केयरफुली। सो मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि वर्ड्स पॉजिटिव होने चाहिए, नेगेटिव वर्ड्स को यूज नहीं करना चाहिए। पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स किसी के लिए भी इंस्पिरेशन होनी चाहिए, उसको उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा उसकी आगे बढ़ने के लिए होने चाहिए, उसके हमको विशेष देनी चाहिए, उसको ब्लेसिंग्स देनी चाहिए, इंस्पायर करना चाहिए। और हम किसी का फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप के मैसेजेस देख के भी हम अंदाजा लगा लेते हैं कि उस बंदे का फीलिंग, कैरेक्टर क्या है। हम मैसेजेस, पोस्ट्स देख के भी बोल देते हैं कि वो कैसा है। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज का टॉपिक जो वर्ड्स था, वैसे तो मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स ने बहुत बहुत अच्छा बोला, तो मेरे पास ये न्यू है।
ओके मैम, आज मैं आपका दिन बनाना चाहता हूँ।
हाँ जी,
आज आप बहुत अच्छा बोले।
बहुत अच्छा बोले, बहुत अच्छा बोले।
थैंक यू सो मच।
मैं यकीन नहीं कर पा रहा कि ये वही बिट्टी मैम है जो हमारे पास आए थे, जो घबरा रहे थे, जो बोल रहे थे मैं बीच में लीव करना चाहती हूँ, मुझसे हो नहीं पा रहा, पर आज बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं लगा।
थैंक यू सर।
एंड द वे यू हैव स्टार्टेड कि इस युग की सबसे शक्तिशाली वस्तु या चीज शब्द है, आपने ये बोला था, राइट
जी?
बहुत ही पावरफुल स्टार्ट करी आपने। और आई ऑलवेज से वन लाइन, यू हैव मेंशन्ड अबाउट ईगो, डोंट लेट योर ईगो राइट द चेक्स व्हिच योर टैलेंट कैन नॉट एनकैश। तो आपने मुझे वो लाइन याद दिला दी दोबारा से। वेरी वेल डन मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Viriji, and you are getting praise all over. Just check out the chat room, and you are really sweet. And we all are really glad for your, super performance. You're really getting better.
Thank you so much, PSU team.
Yes.
Thank you.
Stay blessed. And now, दोस्तों, हम लोग बुला रहे हैं अपने next public speaker को, and the name is very cool, Thanda. Name is Sheetal Malik. Sheetal ji, over to you. Hope Sheetal ji is here.
Audible to you?
No. yes. I was just kidding. Yeah.
Now?
Yes, carry on.
Let me know after 2 minutes. Good evening, you all, first of all. Today, the topic is choosing the words. So, if I talk about that, more you think about choosing your words, the more are the chances that you will mess things up. So, yes, it is true that people say choose your words wisely. You can either motivate or you can either demotivate anyone in a second. But if you are subconsciously thinking at every word, it is not possible that you can have a great conversation or you can make an impact. So, choosing your words should be in your subconscious mind, not in your conscious mind. First thing. Second thing is, although I am 19-year-old and I have been to proper office for 1 month, but I would like to tell you one thing. If your words are the reflection of your state of mind, and if you are not having a stable state of mind, either from any reason, whatever be the reason, so you have to maintain your cool head every time to take wise decisions, because at the end of the day, you have to take decisions. Either it is mini or major. So, that's not easy to maintain a cool head when you are in a devastated state. But from my personal experiences, people can say easily that whenever you enter into office, office, whenever you enter into cubicle, leave your home behind. But consciously, it is not possible at early stage of your career. So what you really need to do, that जो चीज आपको आपके सामने दिख रही है, आपका फोकस सिर्फ उस चीज पे होना चाहिए. That's how you can overcome, and that's how you decide. And the last point of the day is start being kind to yourself. When you start being kind to yourself, you start being kind to people. Being kind to people is one thing, and stop being kind to people is other thing, because that's how you manage the world, because everyone is not on the same page like you. So you have to make proper distinction, proper line that okay, and from if a person, either from personal life, either from professional arena, if a person crosses the limit, I will going to behave this way. That's how you handle overall your personality, your words, your everything. So stop overthinking about you choosing your every word, because subconsciously you know that how you and what to choose. So don't take it too consciously. Thank you so much. You were great.
Lovely. Very nice, Sheetal. So awesome. Like, great. And dosto, next we have is Mr. Puneet Singh Chatwal. Round of applause for Mr. Public Speaker, of course, Puneet Singh Chatwal ji. Are you here?
Yes,
Please
I'm
unmute yourself.
here. I'm
Arey wah.
here. Yeah.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, Gaurav ji. Hello, everyone. I'm Puneet Singh Chatwal, and what I have learned from author Sherry sir is that, you know, always smile, always be happy, and speak with a smile. So, you know, words are very powerful. हम ऑथर शेरी सर से भी सिर्फ वर्ड्स ही ले के जो है हम लोगों ने काफी कुछ सीखना बोलना सीखा है. So words are very powerful. Words basically are in the terms of a meaning, understanding, expressions, everything. So, you know, bad words can pretty obviously spoil everything. Spoil your relation, spoil your business, spoil anything you can say. But good words obviously makes your good relationship. Good words make you smile. Good words appreciate it. And obviously, if you are going to give the motivational words, motivational speakings, so that is going to make a day for anyone. So I would just simply say that, you know, whenever you speak a good words, speak louder, speak happily, speak smilingly, speak lovingly, so that, you know, the other person who is a listener, one should enjoy your speech. In the last, I would just simply end with one quote. That is a very famous quote by Winston Churchill. We are the masters of unsaid words, but slaves of those we let slip out. So, you know, it also defines simple one thing, that whatever you are speaking, think before what you speak, because your precious words can make you up and your unprecious words can make you down. Thank you so much.
क्या बात है, lovely, very nice, great. पुनीत जी, आपके नाम के आगे इंश्योरेंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट लिखा हुआ है, आप ये वर्ड्स के भी इंश्योरेंस कर देते हैं क्या?
Yes, sir. I do. You can contact me
you
for
are
that.
investing in your words, right?
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
Very nice. Great. Right. So, Subhash ji, I missed it. आपने कुछ बोला?
Very good. Your question is very nice.
Thank you, ji. Thank you.
Thank you, and you rock, Puneet ji. So
Thank
sweet.
you so
Very
much.
nice.
Thank you so much.
All right, dosto, and next, I'm really feeling blessed and excited. The next speaker is very, dear to everyone, and is none other than Tavleen Kaur, the young author, the daughter of author Sherry sir and Kara ma'am. Can we have Tavleen? Round of applause, everyone. Let's hear it for Tavleen. Tavleen, unmute yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Tavleen Arora. Today our topic is words. I'm going to share how you can change your words in your life. Number 1, be positive. Number 2, be happy. Number 3, don't be rude to anyone while talking. And number 4, always say powerful words in your life. Now, let me share an activity with you all, which is when you get up daily in the morning, you have to repeat yourself these 3 lines, which are, I am positive, I spread happiness. I am positive, I spread happiness. I am positive, I spread happiness. If all of you will follow these simple techniques, happiness will become a part of your life. Thank you.
वाओ, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. एंड फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि तवलीन इज द यंगेस्ट ऑथर ऑफ दिल्ली एट द एज ऑफ 8 years, and she is award winning orator and storyteller, and also she's got covered by Hindustan Times. क्या हम जोरदार ताली बजा सकते हैं? I mean, this is so amazing. मतलब मुझे तो इस उम्र में ना ठीक से बोलना भी नहीं आता था, अभी मैं ठीक से नहीं बोल पाता, and she is doing wonders. Wow, so inspiring. Hats off to the great parents of the Sherry sir and Kara ma'am. And
पब्लिक स्पीकिंग उसके जीन्स में है गौरव.
आज जीन्स नहीं, आज तो कुछ ड्रेस अलग पहनी है उसने. I got it, of course, you're right.
Amazing, Tavleen.
All right, yes, of course, Renu ji, you are right. That you become who you hang around with. हमारे जो कहते हैं ना कि आपकी सोहबत का, आपके जो साथ में लोग हैं, उनका बहुत फर्क पड़ता है माहौल का. So amazing, amazing.
Thank you for your compliment.
Very good.
You're wrong. God bless you, बेटा. All right, दोस्तों, और अब हम बुला रहे हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट स्पीकर जो हैं. She is again a little young girl. She has been a singer yesterday, जिन्होंने हम सबको गाना सुनाया था. आइए देखते हैं कि आज वो क्या वर्ड्स सुनाती हैं. Of course, गाना नहीं गाएंगी, लेकिन क्या वर्ड्स बोलने वाली हैं. So let's invite Diya Arora from Sonipat. Diya Arora.
Yeah, so I'm audible?
No.
I know, thank you.
All the best.
Okay, so clay होती है ना, कोई भी यूज कर सकता है. या तो वो गॉड बनाएंगे या डेविल. Similarly, words से या तो एक ब्यूटीफुल सी स्पीच बन सकती है या सिर्फ और सिर्फ नेगेटिव बातें. As a society, we have become conditioned to talk about our misfortune and problems. We take our interpretations of events, people, and ourselves and communicate them to the world, bringing them into existence. So if we're complaining about ourselves and our lives to others, we're basically putting those negative words out there to become a reality. Negative, powerless words such as can't, won't, shouldn't must all be cut from the dictionary of your life from now onwards. As a creator of this universe, what you say goes. Your words are the paint with which you can paint your reality. Affirm who you are, your dreams, your hopes, and your successes with two of the most powerful words, that is, I am. Either I'm dull, boring, ugly, or tired, or I'm beautiful, intelligent, and simply so on. This is the exact truth that you are defining and creating for yourself. It doesn't even matter if there is any truth in the words you are saying, but how you finish those two little beautiful words is how you're defining your reality. Choose your words bravely, courageously, and lovingly. Always speak from a point of love for yourself, for your life, and for others, because your words equal your world. Words have power. See, the tongue has no bones, but it is strong enough to break a heart. So be careful with your words. Be sure to taste your words before you spit them out. Handle them with care, because words are so much more powerful than atom bombs. And there is no science that supports karma. What goes around comes around. Science or not, our words have a way of boomeranging back at us. Remember, choose your words wisely. अपने शब्दों को खुद चुनना. Maybe a common phrase, but following this can truly change your life. In a nutshell, I just want to say, once you know and understand this connection between your heart and your words, you will lead a powerful and beautiful life ahead, one filled with more joy and abundance. Thank you so much.
Wow, lovely, Diya. Fantastic. And I have a question for Sherry sir. Other Sherry sir, आपने कल एक सवाल पूछा था दिया से, whether she want to become a public singer or public speaker. And you must have heard this talk, today's talk. So I can see, I mean, she's been बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने speech दिया. So can you comment? You're muted.
She spoke really well. I wish her all the good luck for her future endeavors. और मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि वो स्पीकर बने, लेकिन मैं ये भी नहीं चाहता कि वो अपने सिंगिंग के प्रोफेशन को छोड़ के पब्लिक स्पीकर बने. अगर वो वाकई में पब्लिक स्पीकर बनना चाहती है, वो तभी पब्लिक स्पीकर बने. मैं तो ये चाहता हूँ.
Lovely. Thank you so much. And friends, life is full of surprises. कई बार होता है कि हम सोचते कुछ हैं, हो कुछ और जाता है, but it is all divine timings, right? And great, Diya, that was really wonderful. And now हम दोस्तों जल्दी आगे बढ़ रहे हैं हमारे next speaker की तरफ. And next we have is Shubham Singh Faujdar. And we have Shubham. Who is here? Shubham जी आप यहाँ पर हैं? हाँ ना? Yes, कभी नहीं. Okay, ठीक है. अगले बढ़ते हैं. Next we have is Kaitali Chaudhary. Kaitali ji here? Yes, no? No, she is not here. Okay, moving over. Next we have is Rajeshwari Rapta? No, Rapata. Whatever. Rajeshwari ji. I think she is also not here, so हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं बहुत जल्दी. Next we have is Divya Duheta Mahajan. Divya जी, मैंने कुछ आवाज सुनी, शायद कोई अनम्यूट कर रहा है. But I think Divya is not here. ठीक है, फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. And next we have is Archana जी, Archana Birnale. Archana ji is here? No. Okay. Next we have is Sarabjit Singh.
Yes, I am here.
Finally, great. कैसे हैं सरबजीत जी आप?
बढ़िया सर, बढ़िया गौरव जी, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा सर, करवा रहा हूँ मैं. Over to you. All the best.
Think before you speak. Hello friends, I am very privileged to speak upon this opportunity of public carnival, and in the beginning presence of author Sherry and Gaurav and our rich fortune 14 words are the thoughts which turns into our actions and then destiny, as BT said. But we have to think very carefully. I have made my example of word. What are the words? I have made that win over relationship, destiny, and success. According to me, I have given a different meaning to this word. Word must be handled very carefully. Words have an effect that can detrimental, more harmful than the nuclear bomb. Let us take example of in Mahabharata, when Duryodhana said, let unclothe the Draupadi. Then he said, these words causes the destruction of the whole Kaurav in Mahabharata. Then in Jafarnama, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, after 14 battle with Aurangzeb, he not accepted his defeat, and then Guru Gobind Singh Ji read in Jafarnama in Persian language, which is new to the Aurangzeb, and when he read that Jafarnama, he comes to know that I have the worst person in the world, and I have made different mistakes in my life, and I have killed the innocent person. After a few days, he got into depression, and he died afterwards. So this is the power of the word. Kind words can give someone a new lease of life, can help someone to come out of the hard time, can change life. So in Gurbani we tell, Mithat Nevi Nanka Gun Changyaiyan Tad. It means sweetness and destiny, sweetness and humility are the essence of goodness.
I remember the great Shabad of Bhagat Namdev ji. He said, "Hast khelat tere dehore aaya, pagat karat nama pakar uthaya. हिनरी जात मेरी जात मराया, शीपे के जन्म काहे को आया, ले कमली चलियो पलटाए, देहरे पाशा बैठा जाए." In this Shabad, Bhagat Namdev ji said, "When I come happily to your temple, but the preacher, the Pandit had of the temple and said me to sit behind the temple because I am belong to low caste and I am in the Jat of Shipa. That's why I'm not able to enter the temple." Then he sat behind the temple and remembering the God. He praises the God. He uttered the praise of God and the name of God. Then, my dear friends, miracle happened. The temple turned its face from the east to the west only because of Bhagat Namdev ji. So, the most powerful word in this world is Om, Vaheguru, Allah, Ram. So, we have got such amazing, powerful words which we can use to again emancipate our soul, which has separated from the Almighty. At the end, I would like to tell us, let us make our world a better place by good thoughts, words, and action. Thanks.
Lovely. क्या बात है सरब भाई. Very nice. Very, very nice. Lovely. All right. So that was Sarabjit ji. And now over to Author Sherry bhai.
Thank you so much, Gaurav. I guess we are done with all the speakers.
Yes, we are.
Missing anyone here? I request all of you to please switch on your screens and show me your beautiful faces. I know everybody is tired. It's 9 p.m. IST, but that's okay. That's fine. We all are a part of an online event going on, so that's completely okay. I really appreciate your appearance and your time invested here. And believe you me, every single second you have invested here, what you are listening right now is worth of learning a lot. So let me invite the final speaker of the day, and he's none other than our anchor and the host, DJ Gaurav Jain, a wonderful human being, very energetic, very talented, an author, an entrepreneur, a powerful networker, and a very dear friend. Gaurav Jain, welcome, over to you.
Thank you so much, Sherry bhai. I was not prepared. मुझे पता नहीं था कि मेरे को ही बोलने का मौका मिलेगा, but ठीक है, I'll try. So I started with my own style. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. मैं अमिताभ बच्चन का फैन गौरव जैन एक बार फिर आपके साथ कहने फिर वही बात कि चलो नाचो झूमो मेरे साथ, क्योंकि तभी तो बनेगी अपनी बात. तो मिलाओ हाथ. धन्यवाद 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 दोस्तों. आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है वर्ड्स, शब्द. दोस्तों बहुत फर्क पड़ता है कि जो हम वर्ड्स यूज कर रहे हैं वो ठीक है, लेकिन भैया उसकी टोन कैसी है, किस टोन में, किस लहजे में आपने बोला है. ठीक है, बहुत प्यार से भी बोल रहे हैं, बहुत गुस्से में बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. आप जो भी किसी से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, अपने दोस्त से, रिश्तेदार से, क्लाइंट से, फ्रेंड से, कलीग से, एक वेटर से, एक झाड़ू वाले से, एक रेडी वाले से, किसी से भी, जो आपकी टोन है ना, जब आप कोई भी वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं, बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. वे यू आर ट्रीटिंग एवरीवन, वे यू वांट टू ट्रीट योरसेल्फ. प्लीज कोशिश कीजिए आपके जो वर्ड्स है ना किसी को हर्ट ना करें, और प्लस अगर आपकी कोई साइलेंस नहीं समझ पाता ना, तो शायद वो आपके वर्ड्स भी नहीं समझ पाएगा. राइट. और कई बार तो क्या होता है कि आप किसी के साथ में जस्ट बैठे हैं तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ कुछ वर्ड से ही वो समझ जाते हैं, हमारे जो दोस्त हैं, कि हमारे अंदर क्या चल रहा है. और कई बार तो ये होता है कि आपने जो वर्ड्स बोला ना दिल को छू जाते हैं, और कुछ वर्ड्स वो बिल्कुल दिल को ना हमेशा सालों साल तक रहते हैं. लेकिन मैं फिर भी बोलूंगा कि भगवान ने हमें एक मुंह दिया है और दो कान दिए हैं, तो रेशियो इज 2:1. तो बोलना कम है और सुनना ज्यादा है. हम लोग यहाँ पर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पब्लिक लिसनिंग बहुत जरूरी है. कि हम जो वर्ड्स सुन रहे हैं ना, अगर हम एक अच्छे लिसनर बन सकते हैं, उसी हिसाब से अगर हम वर्ड्स यूज करें बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता कि हमारा कौन सा वर्ड किसको किस लेवल पे इंस्पायर कर रहा है, डिप्रेस कर रहा है. राइट. एंड क्या बोलूं मैं, मुझे बोलने का बहुत शौक है, लेकिन अगेन वही बात है कि हमारे वर्ड से अगर एक भी जिंदगी में एक बदलाव आ जाए, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाए, इंस्पिरेशन हो जाए, तो आई थिंक हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया. अदरवाइज वो वर्ड्स किस काम के जो किसी के काम ना आए, है ना. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज फ्रॉम माय साइड. 2 मिनट काफी है मेरे लिए.
Well done, Gaurav. Well done. Very well done. So that was an impromptu talk, right?
Superb.
Yeah. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि आप मुझे बोलोगे.
Awesome.
Superb, Gaurav.
थैंक यू एवरीवन। एंड दोस्तों अब कुछ म्यूजिक हो जाए। हमने स्टार्टिंग करी थी म्यूजिक से, और चलो अब बुलाते हैं हमारे सिंगर भाई को, एंड इज नन अदर देन मिस्टर दिवाकर चौबे। सो कैन वी हैव दिवाकर?
Yeah, sure, जीजे सर। एंड बहुत मज़ा आया, इतने सुंदर सुंदर टॉक सेशंस जो हमने सुने, इतने सारे स्पीकर्स को सुना, बड़ा मज़ा आया और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। वर्ड्स इतना छोटा सा शब्द है, लेकिन इसकी डेफिनेशन हर एक इंसान के पास अगर आप जाएंगे तो अलग मिलेगी। सो थैंक यू ऑथर शेरी मुझे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे बुलाने के लिए, और थैंक यू जीजे सर ऑफ कोर्स। और अब मैं एक जो गाना गाने वाला हूँ, ये पूरी टीम को डेडिकेट करता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आया। और हियर वी गो। जोगिया जोगिया वो लगने 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। लगने 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। आंखें तेरे दर्श को तरसे हो, आंखें तेरे दर्श को तरसे, याद में तेरी नैना बरसे, होठ पे है नाम तेरा, सांसों में है नाम तेरा, मेरा दिल गया 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 गया, लगने 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। लगने 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। Come on everybody, enjoy this song. जोगिया चांदनी में कहीं जैसे खिलता कमल, ऐसा मुखड़ा तेरा जोगिया। हो चांदनी में कहीं जैसे खिलता कमल, ऐसा मुखड़ा तेरा जोगिया। सादगी में कहीं जैसे ताज़ा गजल, ऐसा चेहरा तेरा जोगिया। आंखें तेरे दर्श को तरसे, याद में तेरी नैना बरसे, होठों पे है नाम तेरा, सांसों में है नाम तेरा, मेरा दिल गया 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 गया, लगने 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। लगने 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगने लगी। Thank you, Author Sherry, once again. And thank you, Jesus, sir. Thank you all, PSU team. जोगिया हो मेरे ख्वाबों में आ, धड़कनों में समा, आके जलवा देखा जोगिया। हो मेरे ख्वाबों में आ, धड़कनों में समा, के जलवा दिखा जोगिया। अब तेरे बिना दिल लगता नहीं, आके फिर तू ना जा जोगिया।
आंखें तेरे दर्स कुतर से, याद में तेरी नैना बरसे, होठों पे है नाम तेरा, सांसों में है नाम तेरा, ओ मेरा दिल गया 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 गया, लगन 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगन लगी, हो लगन 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 लग गई है, तुमसे मेरी लगन लगी.
All
Thank you so much.
right. Super. Yoo-hoo. You rock, man. Fantastic. All right, friends. So that was Diwakar Chaube. What a great singer he is, and really God bless you. And दोस्तों, the time has come. मन तो नहीं कर रहा अलविदा कहने का, लेकिन हाँ, अभी तो एक दिन और बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, और सभी लोग invited हैं दोस्तों. Public Speaking University Carnival Day 4, the final day, which is tomorrow. लेकिन हाँ, timing जो है वो है 8:45 p.m. आप सभी log in कर लेना, and we are going to have so many great announcements, surprises, and much more. Of course, it's going to be followed by musical performance as well. And so, Sherry bhai, we have few words from you before we wrap up.
Wonderful performance by all the public speakers. Heartening to see that everybody learned on this platform and came here today and performed. I think it is so gratifying for me as a mentor for all of you. Thanks for making me feel proud. Thanks for these wonderful speeches which you have delivered today. It was really a special day for me as well. Thanks a lot. Good night, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sherry bhai, and thank you so much, Subhas ji and Kara ma'am, for wonderful, your presence, contributions. Small, it makes a lot of difference. And thank you so much to all the friends who just came here, cheer up all the public speakers. Trust me, guys, this is also matters. So let's have a round of applause for everyone out here who, came here out of their busy schedule and just to learn more things. Matters a lot. So हम लोग कल मिलेंगे दोस्तों Public Speaking Carnival Day 4 में. This is the host and host G.J. Gaurav Jain signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Good night, everyone.